Okay, so the demographic for my area, which is 39047, the race, white 78.8%, African American 14.6%, Asian is 2.5%. I chose the 2021 Honda Santa Fe SUV all-wheel drive. This is very suitable for this demographic area. It's a nice SUV for a family vehicle, especially if you have a larger family, up to like 4 to 5 people. It has 3 trim levels: an SE, which is a basic, a SEL, which is a premium, and it has an XRT, which is a limited edition. The MSRP starting at around $27,200, going up to limited editions could be as much as $32,300. With extra bells and whistles could be higher, but that's the base prices. This makes it a very good buy. It's a great car. It has a 5-year 60,000 basic warranty and a 10-year 100,000 powertrain warranty. The basic covers like AC and stuff like that. After 60,000, it goes to powertrain and all your major belts and things like that. Along with a 3-year 36,000 mile basic maintenance free. It has a MPG, which is miles per gallon, up to 25 in the city and 28 on the highway. The engine is a 2.5 horsepower 4-cylinder turbo. It comes in lead of its class compared to other SUVs its size, due to extra features such as the downloadable key from your smartphone. It also has lane assistance for safety, and it also has lots of airbags all over to protect your loved ones. It has a towing capacity of 2,000 with brakes on the trailer and 16,000 without brakes on the trailer. It has 19-inch alloy wheels. It's very spacious but compact, sporty in its look, and you will love this 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe. Thank you.